Okay.
Are you ready? Okay, so again, you can't touch it, you can't do anything with it. So when you look at the two sides, you need to make sure you can pick out which side is which so you can know left and right. So this is the prettier side, and this side is. So this sticks to the front, which makes this side the
Left side.
left, and this is the
Right.
right. So that makes this the left
Atrium.
atrium and the left
Ventricle.
ventricle. Okay, so down the middle of this, there's a groove, and that's going to be our ventricular sulcus. So it should say groove. And then on this side, we have the
Right. Atrium.
atrium and the
Right.
right ventricle. And then around the top, and again, these are a lot of these are just so fatty. If it's pointing to a groove and it's not going down the ventricles and it's going across this way, or kind of obliquely, and you really can't see them very well on this. But it says groove up here, then that's the coronary sulcus. Any of these vessels, if it doesn't say groove, we just want coronary vessel. All right, this is the pulmonary trunk right here. This is going to be the aorta. On the back side, we have the superior and inferior vena cava. So that's where we touch. So you'd have the inferior down here and the superior up here. And then these little holes over here lead into the left atrium. So these are the pulmonary veins. We're not going to do pulmonary arteries, just pulmonary veins. And epicardium again for layer. And that should be it on there. Okay. On the inside, you can also see the coronary vessels, little circles. And then again, on the inside, you have to be able to do left and right because you're going to have to be naming them by specific left and right ventricle atrium. So, which is the left?
This one?
I can't see.
No.
What's the left side of the heart? Remember, this is split.
This one? Mm-hmm.
Okay,
It's the larger side.
the larger side. So where is it? Where is it? Are you pointing to the whole thing? Where are you pointing to?
Okay. This side.
Yes. So this whole part is the left, right? Correct?
Oh, okay.
This is all the left. This is all the right.
Okay.
Let's just look at one side.
Thank you.
But that's where we're going. So larger ventricle is the left. So left ventricle, left atrium, right ventricle, right atrium. Layers, epicardium, myocardium, all the muscle, endocardium. Anything up here. Papillary muscles are going to be asked closer to the chord H and A, which are these. And that's the bicuspid valve. This would be the tricuspid valve. That would be the tricuspid valve. That would be the bicuspid valve. Aortic semilunar valve or aortic valve would just be this. These little flappy things right here going to the aorta from the left ventricle. If it didn't say layer and it was pointing here, then it's not myocardium. It's the ventricular sulcus. Sorry, septum. Ventricular septum or interventricular septum. That's it. Yep. That's it.